All right, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another quick video. Happy Cinco de Mayo, man. I know today's about to be fun. Want to get this video out before I head outside for the festivities. You already know how that's about to get. But as you can see so far for today, we are at 317.50. It's that low because it's only 2 p.m. Detroit time. It's 2:03. Yesterday, 818. So far for the month, 38.76, almost 4 grand. 5 days into the month, my birthday month, man. I want this to be a record-setting month. I hope today don't set me back, because I know I'm about to be outside drinking and shit. So, yeah, that's about to be that. But, let me see. I think the last time I made a video was like a few days ago. Yeah, results still piling up. And, of course, now I'm about to start adding on. Is me actually doing live posts. So, y'all see, I'm actually putting in the work. This is gonna be the post we're gonna rock with. You can see we got work from home jobs May 5th, 2026. I already made the video. I just want to kind of like walk y'all through it so you can see. These companies are hiring remote workers at $35 an hour. Most people don't know they exist. Boom, got my promo, thinkremote.org. And I'm promoting 2 other websites, which is Conduit and then Teleperformance. And here's the caption to go along with it. Work from home jobs hiring May 5th. These companies are hiring remote workers. Oops. I meant to put it in May. I hope I put it in the caption. But I'll put the direct links to apply in my bio to save you time. Oh, that's really that's another thing too. The Autopilot traffic system, since it's Cinco de Mayo, do a 50% off sale today only. You can get access to a spot inside of my link tree. So basically, if we go on my account right here, I got a new TikTok account just like this one, where you can basically have your link in my bio for lifetime access. Yeah, I just won't take it out. And then I'm also gonna promote your link in a certain amount of videos, probably like 5 or 10 videos, something like that. You just get Autopilot traffic for a lifetime. So for only $50, you get a spot on my new TikTok account. I don't think I'm gonna be promoting that one on YouTube. I'm gonna just use this account to promote on my YouTube videos, but you will have a spot just like you see here for a lifetime amount of traffic for only $50. Only 3 people, as you can see, I got my link and then 3 other people. So I got 3 spots open. It's only $50. Whoopty whoop. Once you purchase it, send me a screenshot to my email. Let me know that you paid for it, and I will lock in your spot. If the link is still there, the spot is still open. So it's 3 spots left, only $50. I expect that to be gone before the day over with. But let's continue with the video. What I did was basically take this whole script right here, from here to here. Since I don't feel like talking right now, you can see my voice kind of gone, raspy, all that stuff. So what I did was make use the AI tool to do the voiceover for me, and let's play it.
Hold up. If you need a legit work from home job in May, these companies are hiring remote workers at $35 an hour, and most people don't even know they exist. thinkremote.org pays up to $35 an hour to review top brands, products, and services. You set your own schedule and can work from anywhere. Conduit is hiring overnight customers.
All right, so I ain't about to play the whole thing. So what I did was downloaded this voiceover script, went into Premiere Pro, added some captions in there, background video with my friends. You can see her. I added sound effects for every image that popped up. So let me show you a quick example.
Exist. thinkremote.org pays up to $35 an hour.
Boom. Then when you say the next job,
Anywhere. Conduit is hiring overnight customer experience associates.
Then the last job,
and equipment provided. Teleperformance is hiring on the spot. With some
save time, blah, blah, blah.
Just watch your email. To save you time, I put the direct links to apply in my bio. Make sure to save this video so you don't lose it. Share it with someone who needs a remote job, and follow me for remote jobs leads posted daily.
Boom. Downloaded that. I uploaded that video. As you can see at the start of the video, there's no text on the screen. Let me see. Because normally I like to have text on the screen right here. So what I did was downloaded this from Premiere Pro, send it to my phone, and then upload it into CapCut. And then this is basically the final edit right here. Let me refresh the screens. I just posted it on my TikTok account, Make Money with JT. I just posted this probably like 10 minutes ago. We see we already got 100 views on it.
Hold up. If you need a legit legit work from home job in May, these companies are hiring remote workers.
Start over.
Hold up. If you need a legit work from home job in May.
So I added the text on screen using CapCut. You can use TikTok, you can use Premiere Pro, you can use whatever you want. I just use CapCut because it's my favorite editing software. So yeah, I go between Premiere Pro and CapCut.
These companies are hiring
for different reasons.
Remote workers at $35 an hour, and most people don't even know they exist. ThinkRemote.org pays up to $35 an hour to review top brands, products, and services. You set your own schedule and can work from anywhere. Conduent is hiring overnight customer experience associates at $19 per hour with paid overnight training, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. schedule, Fridays and Saturdays off, and equipment provided. Teleperformance is hiring on the spot, with some candidates skipping interviews entirely and receiving a direct training link after an easy assessment. Just watch your email. To save you time, I put the direct links to apply in my bio. Make sure to save this video so you don't lose it. Share it with someone who needs a remote job, and follow me for remote jobs leads posted daily. Hold up.
Boom. 38 seconds long. I just posted this 17 minutes ago. Already got 100 views. Yeah, man, it's that simple. A lot of people say, how many times a day can you post? What's crazy is you could actually post 20, 30, 40, 50 times a day. You would think you won't get the views, but no. The way TikTok work, every time they push out a video on your account, they show it to a different batch of audience every single time. So you would think, oh, it's going to my 5,000 followers. It don't even go to my followers first. It go to who TikTok think would want to watch the video first. So it don't even be your followers first. So the first 200 or 300 views is random people. And then from there, it'd be another, somebody distracted me. But yeah, it's like a tier system where it's like, okay, the first 250 views, if it perform well, they're going to push it to another 250, to another 500, to another 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. That's how stuff end up going viral on TikTok. Other platforms is different. They'll show it to your followers first. And then if they respond to it, then it hit the explore page and blah, blah, blah. TikTok is the opposite. So that's why you could be able to post 5, 10, 20, 30 times a day. You just need to have a system in place, similar to what I do. I built a team to post on my other profiles because I be doing too much outside the crib to where I could post 20 or 30 times a day. So I'd rather pay somebody to do it. But you want to get the results first before you start hiring a team and stuff like that. Because if you don't know what you're doing, how you going to teach somebody else? You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Trying to see if I'm missing anything. Nope. Just wanted to show y'all live, me posting again, show y'all our results for the day. And like I said before, we got 3 spots open for the Autopilot traffic system. Cinco de Mayo sale is only $50. I'm not even running this sale on my birthdays on the 30th. So take advantage of it while it's here, man. If the link is there, the spot is still open. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, post them down below. And I will see y'all in the next video.